One man's tool is another man's weapon.
Littering.
Afraid enough. The police weren't getting it done.
Look at this one.
Oh, it's not Gary.
No, maybe you messed with my bed. You clearly messed with my bed.
No, Gary, no.
This is one of these spider ones.
That's right.
Here.
No!
What do you mean, no?
This is funny as fuck.
Here. Hold on to it for me. Here, look.
I will go home.
I'm just kidding.
Gary, I will go home.
It's dead. Look, it's
No.
dead.
No.
You can crack the code and tell us.
I just want to ramp in the bookroom.
What? Look,
No, Gary.
he hops.
No.
Oh shit, he's gone. Where'd he go? I don't know where he went.
He just went under the bed.
Gary.
Under the bed.
Sorry.